Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video we are going to discuss all 50 questions that were asked in SEBI Grade A paper 2 held on 17 January today, and all these questions are memory based. We are providing most accurate questions that were asked in the exam. Paper was extremely easy and it requires only a basic level of knowledge about the finance, accounting, commerce, companies act, all these things. Very The paper was very much easy as compared to the syllabus given in the notification. I repeated to my subscriber that paper will be be very easy and questions will be very basic in nature. Simple understanding can help you to crack this phase 1 exam. And all 50 questions we are going to discuss. So first question, GST registration is done basis on the PAN number. The language used to create web page HTML was the right answer. Reward and punishment policy to induce good behavior of carrot and stick. It is carrot and stick option DTAA. In DTAA, DT stands for, this was the question, double tax. Next question, classification of income is done under which section of the Income Tax Act? Section 14 defined the classification of income. Bill of exchange drawn in the parts are called bill in sets. Who decide whether a bill is money or bill or ordinary bill? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Next question, as per which company GOI aims to generate awareness? As per campaign, GOI, Government of India, aims to generate awareness and to improve the welfare services intended for girls in India. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is the right answer. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? Option were given like bill of exchange, check, note, currency note. Actually these were the uh, used in the old uh, in these hundis were used by ancient in our ancient history by the people in ancient history. So these are it means a type of informal instrument, negotiable instrument, but these are not covered under the Negotiable Instrument Act. So this option is the not correct. Hundis is not a negotiable instrument. In SWOT analysis, uh, O stands for opportunity, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. This is the right. Just in time and inventory management process. Rent paid for 11 month has been recorded, but for the 12 month which is outstanding has not been recorded in general entry. Error of omission. And the provision of tax appear in the company balance sheet under which subhead? Short term provision. Next, who is the lender of last resort? This one is who is the lender? Spelling is incorrect. Uh, Working and operation of NBFC are regulated by RBI. If there is no consideration, then agreement is void. GST is applicable to whole of India. Current assets are those assets which are to be realized within 12 months. Then NAV means in mutual fund net asset value. Charge against a property of the company is to be registered with the registrar of company. Market where gold and silver are traded, bullion market. The reason for the decline in the child sex ratio in India is female foeticide. A debenture holder is entitled to fixed interest payment. Next question, labor turnover means labor turnover refers to the ratio of a number of people who leave a company through attrition. So next question, ITNS 281 is used to pay this challan is used for depositing tax deducted at shores or tax collected at shores. Accordingly, the option you have to correct to select. Next question, assets are 36,000, liabilities are 16,000, then owner's equity. The question was very easy, that assets equal to liabilities plus owner equity. So from this equation you can calculate, it will be 20,000. So we will give a little break and we'll tell you that we are providing the RBI Grade B course. That notification is expected in next week, and it will be that cost you 2499. We are telling all the aspirants that we are providing very specific content as we have done in SEBI also. We have not provided too much content to read, only specific important content that is important for this exam. Similarly, we are providing the for RBI, ESI, and IFM complete course, including static part in video format, other current affairs part in PDF format. It will cost you 2499. It will include mock test as well, MCQ, chapter wise MCQ. You have to register at our website crackdeadb.com, and you can subscribe the courses. All those who are preparing for SEBI grade exam, they can also subscribe our courses. It will cost you rupees 2000 only. This is the most economical and most specific content. We claim this, that our content is very specific. You can easily cover in a shorter period of time. Next question. To improve the performance of any process, which of the following is required? Control and feedback. Computer related offense is known as cybercrime. BPO stands for business process outsourcing. CPM, critical path method. In the absence of partnership, did the partner share the profit or loss in equal amount? The process to start or restart the computer is called boot. Contribution was given 40,000. Sales were given 2 lakh. Then PV ratio, you know, the contribution divided by sale 20%. While computing income from the house property, the municipal taxes are deductible on paid basis. We are not sure about this question. Partners' current account are open when their capital account are fixed. Next question. Interest payable on debentures is charged on profit or loss account. Which organization play important role in promoting financial and development of MSMEs? Should be Tally is one of the most popular accounting software. Total number of schedules in the company is at 7 schedule. BSC is located at Dalal Street, Mumbai. In case of liquidation of the company, which is payable in last equity holders. Which animal is there in Make in India logo? Lion. Software company promoted by Narayan Murthy, Infosys. The law of demands mean the price increase, demand decreases. Exact option is not known, but question was very easy. CBT, Central Board of Direct Taxes, is related to direct taxes. Agriculture is a part of state list in the constitution. Current ratio is a liquidity ratio. Debit when comes in, and when credit when what goes out. Next question. On incorporation of a company, the company will be located CIN by ICRC, Central Registration Center. Company identification number will be allotted after the incorporation of the company. Statistical study of population, it is called demography. Once again, we are telling you that paper was very easy. You can easily qualify if you have basic knowledge of all the subject. No need to go in depth. We again, many students used to call us before the exam that they were referring some institute and telling that they are teaching in too much depth, but again I am assuring that paper will be of basic nature, and all the aspirants, those who are preparing, don't go in depth. That question will be very basic. You can even cover the syllabus of accounting and commerce from NCERT books, and everything is available on the internet also. If you don't want to subscribe any courses, easily you can cover the basic concept, basic knowledge. All questions were very basic, and these are the detail about our courses. ESI FM RBI Grade B course, complete course. That static part will be in video format, online PDFs related to current government scheme. Everything will cover RBI circulars, reports, government schemes, which are very important for the exam. And mocks we will also provide. MCQs, it will cost you rupees 24999, and this is expected to soon notification by next week. Paper 2 SJB grade A course we are also providing, and it is the most specific and most economical course, and rupees 2000 we are this will cost you rupees 2000. It will include video format and PDF format. It is a mix-up course, so you can easily cover in a very less time, and you have to register at our website and subscribe our courses. Till date, in every exam, 70 to 80% question asked in our courses are covered in our study material. And these are our courses: RBI Grade B, SEBI Grade A, IRDA, NABARD, and UPSC FFO, FSI Technical Officer. You have to register at website and you can subscribe. And share the video who have appeared in this exam, and subscribe our channel. Thank you and happy learning.